Today we're in Thu Duc, a lively part of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Thanh Nguyen Barbershop is located here in what's considered a city within a city. Thu Duc was originally a separate city, but it was merged with District 2 and District 9 to form Thu Duc City in 2021. This area is rapidly developing into a hub for education, technology, and innovation, and it's a great place to explore local businesses like this one. The shop was clean and had a welcoming vibe when we walked in, which put us at ease. Fun fact, Thu Duc is home to the Saigon High-Tech Park, one of the leading technology parks in Vietnam, which hosts several major tech companies and research institutions. We didn't just come for a haircut, we decided to try out a few other services, starting with a shave. The woman who helped us used a straight razor, which is a bit different from what I'm used to back in the US. It was a smooth and precise shave, and it was definitely an experience worth trying if you're in the area. Fun fact, straight razors, also known as cutthroat razors, have been used for centuries and were once a common tool for barbers before the advent of safety razors. Of course, we got the haircut too. The barber took the time to understand what I wanted and did a solid job. Nothing too fancy, but the cut was clean, and I walked out satisfied with the result. Fun fact, in Vietnam, it's common for men to visit barbershops not just for haircuts, but also for a range of grooming services, making it a one-stop shop for self-care. One of the more unusual services we tried was ear cleaning, something you don't typically see in the US. The woman was careful, but it's definitely a service to approach with caution. There's always a risk when dealing with something as sensitive as your ears, so make sure you're comfortable with it before diving in. The staff was friendly and accommodating, and we had an interesting conversation when we explained that most US salons and barbershops don't offer these kinds of services. They were surprised to hear that. The shop was clean and the tools seemed well maintained. Of course, there are other places in the area that offer similar services and your experience might vary, but this is what I can share from my visit. Fun fact, tipping isn't a common practice in Vietnam, but it's always appreciated, especially when the service is exceptional.
So it was how much?
250.
Which is
like what? 10, 12. Không biết á. Không biết cái gì em biết không?
Oh. So it's about $12 for both of us.
Đổi giùm em 2 cái 100. Gửi anh đi không? Let's say 25. 250. 250 divided by 2.2, so
about $12 for both of us.
Yeah, for both of us.
With the tip included.
With the
big
tip
fat
included.
tip.
Yeah. The service is only 112.
Right.
125 for each.
Uh-huh.
So both of us, 250.
Right.
But we give them each one 100, so literally they get one for free.
Oh, someone one extra for free. That's a big, juicy, fat tip. Okay.
Literally one of us.
All that. $12.
Yeah, $12 for the haircut.
We got that haircut, ears, and shave.
And the shave.
Damn, you look nice.
Of course, that did not become my only grooming experience. I visited many different locations throughout Vietnam. Had a pedicure, manicure, scalp massage, facial treatment, and of course, more haircuts. Personally, I had great service each time. I was also traveling with a local, though communication wasn't really a problem. And it's certainly better than what I get at home. Yes, really, my cat attacks my razor whenever she hears it turn on. I have to lock my bathroom.
Thanks for watching. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions help us grow and improve. It's a small click for you, but a huge help for us. We truly appreciate your support.